Hello, this is 6th sem. Lecture 7, Maths M1. So we discussed a few problems up to the lecture 6 of 10 problems, whereas 11th problem now. 11th problem, solve dx by dt plus 2x minus 3y is equal to t. Second equation, dy by dt minus 3x plus 2y is equal to e power t, e power 2t. Solve these two differential equations. This problem is asked in 2017 problem. Solution for this solution. Given d plus 2 of x minus 3y is equal to t. Take this equation as 1. Next, x terms to be in the beginning in the second equation, minus 3x plus d plus 2 of y is equal to e power 2t. So to eliminate y, I can multiply first equation by d plus 2. First into d plus 2. First equation into d plus 2 implies d plus 2 whole square, because d plus 2 into d plus 2 is d plus 2 whole square of x minus 3 into d plus 2 of y is equal to d plus 2 into t. The right side, d plus 2 into t. Second equation, this second equation multiply by 3 to eliminate y is equal to minus 9x square plus 3 into d plus 2 into y is equal to 3 e power 2t. So subtract means negative signs are there. It should be add on both sides. Add. These two terms are to be cancelled. Now is d plus 2 whole square minus 9. D plus 2 whole square minus 9 of x is equal to d plus 2 of t. D plus 2 of t is t plus 2t plus 3 e power 2t. This implies d square plus 4d plus 4 minus 9 of x is equal to 1 plus 3t, 3 e power t plus 2t implies d square plus 4d minus 5 of x is equal to 1 plus 3 e power 2t plus 2t. So this is the differential equation. To find the value of x. For this we need to find CF and also PI. So that now the AE of 1 or AE of this equation AE is m square plus 4m minus 5 is equal to 0, implies m square plus 5m minus m minus 5 is equal to 0, implies take m is common, m plus 5 minus 1 is common, m plus 5 is equal to 0, implies m minus 1 into m plus 5 is equal to 0, implies m is equal to 1 comma minus 5. So CF is equal to C1 e to the power of t plus C2 e to the power of minus 5t. Next, Pi is equal to for x. So 1 divided by d square plus 4d minus 5 into 1 plus 3 e power 2t plus 2t is equal to 1 by d square plus 4d minus 5 into e power 0t plus 3 e power 2t plus 1 by d square plus 4d minus 5 2t. Here our previous step is equal to 1 by d place is substitute 0, so that 0 square plus 4d means 4 into 0 minus 5 e power 0t plus 1 divided by 3 into 3 divided by d plus is 2, so that 2 square plus 4 into d means 4 into 2 minus 5 plus 2 into 1 divided by from d. From this denominator we take the least degree term is common, it is minus 5, take outside 1 minus of d square plus 4d divided by 5 of t is equal to minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 7 e power 2t, so minus 2 by 5. Next take this denominator to the numerator, 1 minus d square plus 4d by 5 whole power minus 1 of t is equal to minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 7 e power 2t minus 2 by 5 into 1 minus this expansion 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is 1 minus x plus x square. So 1 minus d square plus 4d by 5, this is d square plus 4d by 5 whole square plus and so on of t. So apply it to inside, the remaining will be as usual. So minus 2 by 5, this is t minus 4d means 4 by 5. So this should be same, minus 2 by 5 multiply to inside minus 2 by 5t, so minus minus is to be plus, 2 into 4 is 8 by 25. So this is the same step, this is equal to this minus 1 by 5, 8 by 25 is constant, that I can simplify. The remaining is 3 by 7 e power 2t minus 2 by 2t by 5. Next minus 13 by 25. X is equal to CF plus PI. Next, the remaining to find y value. Put x value in 1. Put x value in 1. So that one equation is d plus 2 of x minus 3y is equal to t, implies d plus 2 x is now c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t, continuation, plus 3 by 7 e power 2t minus 2t by 5 minus 13 by 25. This is all x value minus 3y is equal to t. Implies, right, differentiation. First of all, differentiation is, this is differentiation, d of c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t plus 3 by 7 e power 2t minus 2t by 5 minus 13 by 5 plus remaining 2 into the all, c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t plus 3 by 7 e power 2t minus 2t by 5 minus 13 by 25 minus 3y is equal to t. Implies, differentiation is c1 e power t minus 5c2 e power minus 5t plus 6 by 7 e power 2t minus 2 by 5, the remaining constant, this constant will be 0, plus 2c1 e power t plus 2c2 e power minus 5t plus 6 by 7 e power 2t minus 4 by 5 or 4t by 5 minus 36 by 25 minus 3y is equal to t. Implies, the next step is in simplification. Three y is equal to 3y is equal to, the whole simplification is 3c1 e power t minus 3c2 e power minus 5t plus 12 by 7 e power 2t minus 9 by 5t minus 36 by 25 is equal to, right, so implies y is equal to as 1 by 3 into 3c1 e power t minus 3c2 e power minus 5t plus 12 by 7 e power 2t minus 9 by 5t minus 36 by 25 is equal to c1 e power t minus c2 e power minus 5t plus 4 by 7 e power 2t minus 3t by 5 minus 12 by 25. Therefore, x and y values gives the required solution. Gives the required solution. Gives the required solution. Right, 12th problem. Solve t dx by dt plus y is equal to 0, comma t dy by dt plus x is equal to 0. So this problem is asking in 2018 2018 problem. Right. This is a little bit is different because here is a problem with variable coefficients t dx by dt, like that, t dy by dt. So how can we solve this equation? You see, this problem solution given t dx by dt plus y is equal to 0. This is first equation. Second equation is t dy by dt plus x is equal to 0 is the second equation. So differentiate one with respect to t. Differentiate one with respect to t. This should be t d square x by dt square plus dy by dt differentiate one with respect to t. So both are the variables here. This is called UV method at first. That I can take UV method. T d square x by dt square plus dx by dt, UV method differentiation first equation, plus dy by dt is equal to 0. Next, coming to the so multiply the one equation only, this above equation, multiply with t on both sides. Multiply with t on both sides. What it will get? T square d square x by dt square plus t dx by dt plus t dy by dt is equal to 0. Next, implies the total equation can be taken into the one only. This implies I can substitute t dy by dt value is minus x is from 2. So that this equation is now t square dx by dt square plus t dx by dt, next minus x is equal to 0 from 2. This implies t square d square plus td minus 1 of x, of x is equal to 0. Take this as equation 3. This is a homogeneous linear differential equation. So that we have to know how it can be solving. Right, which is a Cauchy's equation, which is a Cauchy differential equation, which is a Cauchy differential equation. Put t is equal to e power z. So these are all the problems in the 6th semester. Implies z is equal to log t. Next, t square d square is equal to d into d minus 1, comma td is equal to capital D, where d is equal to d by dz. Anyhow, that implies or 3 implies d into d minus 1 in 3, of course. So 3 implies d into d minus 1 plus d minus 1 of x is equal to 0 implies d square minus d plus d minus 1 of x is equal to 0 implies d square minus 1 is equal to d square minus 1 of x is equal to 0. Next AE m square minus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus 1 is equal to c1 e power z plus c2 e power minus z. As e power z is t, so that c1t plus c2 by t, as e power z is equal to t. This is the fourth. Itself is the solution. X is equal to x is equal to this is, because m values are plus or minus 1. So 1 implies y is equal to minus t dx by dt. This is equal to minus t into what is dx by dt value? This is x value. Suppose I can substitute dx by dt is equal to c1 minus c2 by t square. That I can substitute c1 minus c2 by t square is equal to minus c1t plus c2 by t. This is the fifth one and this is the fourth one. So x value is the fourth one, y value is the fifth one. Therefore 4 and 5 gives a required solution. So that the 11 and 12 problems, particularly 12th problem is a little bit is different. Just we can reduce that equation to the Cauchy's homogeneous differential equation and then solve. So thank you very much. The remaining you will see a little bit is different, because when the given differential equation is to be integrable, that conditions also we can define and derive in the next class.